everyone. This is the letter P. What is the sound of the letter P? The sound of the letter P is P. Come on, say it with me. P. P. Well done. Now, let's see what starts with the letter P. This is a pan. Pan. One last time. Pan. Great work. All right, now we are in the kitchen and the kids are being very loud. Can you spot what words have the letter P? First, we have chip. 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 Next, we have this pan. Pan. What is it? Pan. Then at the back, we have a red pot. Pot. One last time. Pot. Finally, we have the picture. Picture. Come on, say it with me. Picture. Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to say the letter P.